How you guys doing out there? I'd like to introduce you to the Buzzbait Killer Combo. This is the Get Hooked Magic Bait. So what you have here is a little buzz on the top water, a little flash that looks like injured fish. So you got the up here at the holes in the blade, right over here. It's going to make a lot of noise, and then you have that flash like injured bait. And there you have your nice little skirt right there, and you can run a trailer on here, and you know, give it even more of a tail action, something like a swim bait, as we did these in a previous video, but you may run a little bit shorter on there. So there you go, check it out, gethookedmagicbaits.com, the new Buzzbait Killer Combo right there. Gethookedmagicbaits.com, hundreds of fishing supplies. Follow us on YouTube and hit the subscribe and hit the notification, so when something pops up, you guys will be able to get the notification. Thank you.